Thank you very much, and good afternoon, and welcome to the readout of today's meeting of the College, and happy Safer Internet Day to everybody. We have adopted an action plan against cyberbullying with Commissioner Mikalev, and we will present it very shortly. And furthermore, tomorrow we will be adopting an action plan to tackle the increasing threats by drones. I will present it to you in the same press room tomorrow at 10:30, together with Commissioners Brunner and Tzitzikostas. And lastly, let me mention that we decided to partially register a European citizens' initiative to protect stray dogs, stray cats and animals in shelters. The Commission has not analysed the substance of the proposals at this stage. The partial registration means that the organisers can now open the 12-month period of signature collection. If they reach at least 1 million signatures from at least 7 member states, the Commission will then be required to act. The spokesperson service is publishing a press release as we speak, where you will find also further details. With those points covered, I pass to the main topic of this press conference, our action plan against cyberbullying.